My people, welcome back to Lion Mac TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So yesterday was the birthday party of Nigerian Super Eagle player and Leicester City superstar. No other person but Kelechi Iheanacho. Yesterday he celebrated his birthday in London, and top Nigerian celebrities and actresses, like let me say old Nollywood actress and celebrities were there. The chief celebrant himself, the celebrity man of the moment, I'm talking of Obi Cubana too, was there at the event there in London, and that's all I'll be bringing to you here. It was an entire fun-filled time with Umunnem, like our brothers. They were all there vibing and doing what they know how to do best, which is enjoyment. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, share comments in the comment section. We all know Kelechi Iheanacho is a very humble and a hard-working footballer. Enjoy the entire highlights. Don't forget to subscribe.
Obi Cubana blada. I don't go blada go. Yes. And you believe in that? Obelije.
Yes. Exactly.
Ejana. Nisije. The line is
Amen.
Ototo. Na bibie.
Amen.
Na abane.
Amen.
Nkwa ijeko. Amakora rai.
My fellow below here.
Yes. Thank you so much.
My God.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Better boy. Better boy.
Oh boy, Yankee.
Better boy.
Superstar.
We outside for you. We outside for you.
I know. I have to get you. I have to get you.
Listen.
Come on, guys, let's go see. Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
DJ.
Okay, the second part of this amazing segment is
Okay, I'm going to
There's a whole lot of money in this.
London ever. In a hustle in London. A hustle to be in London. I got you that column. I know you're not just a boy.
Anywhere you find Igbos anywhere in the world, they're always fond of representing, and not just representing in the right way. The one that's surprising me and the one that is shocking to me is all this native regalia and attire. You see them carry them up and down. Like I just discovered seeing the local Igbo chief hand fan that Obi Cubana was holding all through the night, and this particular part where he was addressing to be well with us, we'll continue to progress and do good things for ourselves. I think that was after the entire event. That prayer was something out of this world. Obi is a smart guy with a great sense of intelligence in his business and relationship with people. Thank you for watching the video. You could see how the birthday went down there. It was nothing short of fun. Thank you. See you guys.